How to reinstall graphics drivers on Windows 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily reinstall your graphic drivers on your Windows device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. Let's begin. Now, the very first thing that you want to do here is go ahead and right click on this PC, and from here you can click on more options. Now you will have an option to open this manage settings, which will open up your computer management. Once your computer management is open, let me make this big, and here at the bottom you will see device manager. All you have to do now is find your display adapters. Click on this drop down and you will find your default graphics driver. You just right click on this, and from here all you have to do is click on properties and make sure that it says your device is working properly. Now in order to update this, you just click on update driver and click on browse my computer for drivers. So it will give you a default location, but you can choose let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and it will give you all of the list of available drivers on your PC. Now all you have to do is click on one of them and click on next. So once you do that, it will update your entire graphics driver, and after that you can do the same for this one. So you just have to repeat this step with all of these drivers. And after you do that, just give your PC a quick restart and you should be good to go. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.